I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck, and today we'll be reviewing the Nectar Mattress. For today's testing, we've brought in Rachel, our lightweight sleeper, Jackson, our average weight sleeper, and Isaac, our heavyweight sleeper. Setting up the Nectar mattress is quite easy. We recommend making it a two-person job because even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 5 to 6 hours. The Nectar is an 11-inch memory foam mattress. The cover is made from a mix of Tencel and cotton. The comfort layers consist of quilted gel memory foam, and responsive recovery memory foam. Below that, the support core is composed of 6 inches of high-density polyfoam. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. We've placed the Nectar at a 6.5 to 7 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The mattress has a traditional memory foam feel, is not very responsive, and is very conforming to the sleeper's body. In the mattress world, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleepers' spines are kept in alignment when laying on their side. Our testing found that across all 3 sleeper weights, the Nectar provided above average support, as shown by our sleepers on their sides. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for co-sleepers so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of your bed. We found the Nectar mattress exhibited terrific motion isolation as shown by the water glass test performed by Isaac. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers feeling as though they may fall or roll off the edge. Our testing showed the edge support on the Nectar mattress to be better than average compared to other all-foam mattresses due to the high-density polyfoam support core. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Nectar mattress does an adequate job relieving pressure for most sleepers. Lighter sleepers might find the Nectar a bit too firm for the first month or so until it breaks in. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found the Nectar does a fair job with temperature neutrality, which is on par with other memory foam mattresses. They tend to retain more heat than other mattress types like innerspring, latex, and hybrid. Now, let's review how the Nectar stacked up in our mattress testing. This memory foam mattress received a good rating in support for all sleeper weights and very good rating in motion isolation. We also rated the Nectar with a good for edge support. It offers fair pressure relief for lightweight sleepers, good relief for average weight sleepers, and very good relief for heavyweight sleepers. Similar to other foam mattresses, it has only fair temperature neutrality. If you prefer a more traditional innerspring or hybrid feel, the Nectar probably won't be your best bet. Temperature-sensitive sleepers might find that memory foam mattresses like the Nectar trap more heat than innerspring, hybrid, or latex mattresses and should consider looking elsewhere. Sleepers who like the contouring and deeper pressure relief of memory foam mattresses will appreciate the Nectar. Budget-conscious sleepers will be hard-pressed to find a better value than this mattress. If you're considering this mattress, Nectar offers a very generous trial period. You can rest easy knowing that you can test the mattress for a full calendar year to ensure that it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships free and comes with a lifetime warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation or have any questions, go ahead and comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep well.